You know, when I talk to agents who are new to the Medicare space, I'm always asked, well, what products do I need to be offering? And I see a lot of agents that are new go out there and immediately start picking up every single contract they can get their hands on. But truthfully, that's the wrong approach. So even if you're a seasoned agent but new to Medicare, going out there and picking up 15, 20 different carriers just to build a fat appointment list, well, it's going to serve no purpose but to distract you and really dilute your overall efforts. So in this quick video, I'm going to break down the types of products that you absolutely need and, well, what a core starting portfolio looks like. So stay tuned. So if you want to get into the Medicare space properly, right, you need to make sure that you're covering all the angles for your customers, right? You got to make sure that you have competitive solutions for Medicare Supplement, Medicare Advantage, prescription drug plans, and some ancillary product options to kind of plug the holes. But it doesn't mean that you need 15, 20, 30 different contracts to get it done. Truthfully, regardless of what state or states that you're marketing in, you can usually get it done with about 5 core carriers. So I want to just kind of go through some of the angles that you need and again what that starting portfolio looks like. Again, you're going to need to make sure you have competitive options for Medicare Supplement, Medicare Advantage, the drug plans, and some ancillary products. So leading right off the top with my favorite core portfolio is United Healthcare. Truly the 500-pound gorilla in the Medicare space. United Healthcare, again, regardless of which state you're marketing in, you can guarantee they have a presence, and with their name recognition, a lot of your clients and prospects are going to ask for them by name. But in one simple contract, United Healthcare will provide you with some of the more competitive options for Medicare Supplement, Medicare Advantage, and prescription drug plans. Package all that up with their name recognition and a very easy to use electronic application, definitely makes that a flagship product for your portfolio. Now, number 2, similar, is the Aetna Senior Supplemental contract. This is an absolutely stacked contract. It's one of my favorite ones out there. And while their products aren't available in all 50 states, their footprint is wide enough that in most states, you're going to find a multitude of products on that contract. But just to give you an example, in one simple contract, in most states, you'll have 2 Medicare Supplement product options, 2 final expense product options, a hospital indemnity plan, a short-term recovery care plan, a dental, vision, and hearing combo plan, and one of the best lump sum cancer products on the market today. Combine all of that with the slickest e-app in the business, and you've definitely got yourself one heck of a contract and product option there. Now, third one that I like and I would definitely consider starting with is Humana. Humana is a staple in the industry. Again, name recognition is huge. Everybody knows who Humana is, and they've got an enormous footprint that is growing widely. And again, similar to United Healthcare, that one contract will give you options for Medicare Supplement, Medicare Advantage, and prescription drug plans. And similarly, they've also got an easy-to-use electronic application to help you simplify your sales process. They're also one of the easiest carriers to get marketing co-ops from. So again, I'm putting that in my top 3. Now, truthfully, just with those 3 carriers, you can do some serious damage in the Medicare space because you've got all the angles covered. You've got Medicare Supplement options, you've got Medicare Advantage options, prescription drug plans, and you've got a whole host of ancillary products. But if I really want to be loaded for bear, there's 2 more products that I'm going to look at. And which one of these I might choose to add first might depend on whether I lean more towards the Medicare Supplement and ancillary products in my portfolio, or maybe whether I lean more towards the Medicare Advantage side of things. But in no particular order, these next 2 contracts I'm going to look at, number 1 is Mutual of Omaha. With a very rich history in the Medicare Supplement space, they will give you a national footprint of some of the best Medicare Supplement rates out there for an A+ rated carrier. That contract also has a whole host of other products. One of the most competitive final expense options out there. Hands down the number 1 lump sum cancer product, same one I bought for my own coverage, but also options for term life, universal life, dental, as well as even prescription drug plans. So truthfully, another stacked contract, and again, great e-app technology. Finally, fifth and finally, we are full circle back to Aetna. Now, indifferent from their senior supplemental contract that we talked about earlier, They also have a separate contract for Medicare Advantage plans and prescription drug plans. Outstanding contract. Again, their footprint is rapidly growing. Leaps and bounds. They are chewing up more territory and getting their product out there with larger networks and better coverage. But great product around. One of their big specialties that they're really pushing right now is a market that's growing rapidly, and that's the dual eligible market for people that have both Medicare and Medicaid. They are the fastest growing D-SNP provider out there right now. And if that's a space that you're working in, that should be a top contract on your checklist. Combine that with their Silver Script prescription drug plans, one of the highest ranking drug plans in the space. And again, you pretty much have yourself a must-have option. So those are the top 5 carriers as I see that you need to get started with. Anything additional that I'm going to add to that will be dictated by my client's needs, my territory, and so forth. But that is a starting portfolio that you as a new agent can easily tackle without getting overwhelmed and truthfully, again, cover all the angles for your clients. And as you grow more in the business and you discover more, you can certainly add products as you need, again, without getting yourself overwhelmed. So if you have any questions on what products are hot in your area, what people are buying, what people are selling, give one of our seasoned marketers here a call. They're very well tenured. They can look up the area that you're in, tell you what products are the hottest sellers, and really help you pinpoint a smoking portfolio that's going to get you out there ahead of the competition. So if you got some questions, give us a shout, and we certainly look forward to the opportunity to serve you. And until then, good luck and happy selling.